Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. Google researchers have developed a technique named Brain 2 Music that reconstructs music based on human brain activity. The method uses either a music retrieval or a music generation model called MusicLM, which is conditioned on embeddings from fMRI data. The generated music closely resembles the original musical stimuli, capturing semantic properties like genre, instrumentation, and mood. The study explores the connection between different components of MusicLM and brain activity through voxel-wise encoding, modeling analysis. This groundbreaking research opens up the possibility of experiencing music not just audibly but also through brain patterns, offering exciting prospects for the future.
I told them local pickers I done come to capture Music City.
Catch the baby, like to read the smile. My wife, how I met, come on. Civil wing my thick with song, and summer hot on Janju.
$32.29, cut her hair in two. She got a 30 special. 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Stability AI has launched FreeWilly1 and FreeWilly2, two open-source large language models created by their Carper AI lab. These models exhibit remarkable reasoning and linguistic understanding, validated through diverse benchmarks. Inspired by Microsoft's methodology, the data generation process utilized high-quality instructions from specific datasets. Despite being trained on a smaller dataset than previous models, FreeWilly models showcase exceptional performance. In certain areas, FreeWilly2 surpasses GPT-4 and outperforms GPT-3 in most aspects. This release marks another significant achievement for the open-source community, indicating increased competition and faster advancements in the AI domain, with Llama and FreeWilly leading the way. A team of researchers secured a $600,000 grant from Australia's Office of National Intelligence to explore the integration of human brain cells with artificial intelligence. Collaborating with Cortical Labs, they successfully demonstrated how brain cell clusters in a petri dish could play Pong. The goal is to merge biology and AI, potentially revolutionizing machine learning for self-driving cars, autonomous drones, and delivery robots. The researchers aim to create AI systems capable of continual lifelong learning, surpassing traditional silicon-based hardware in performance. This ambitious project could have significant implications for various fields, such as robotics, brain-machine interfaces, and drug discovery, providing Australia with a strategic advantage. Dave Willner, formerly the head of trust and safety at OpenAI, has announced his departure, transitioning into an advisory role. This development raises concerns about leadership in addressing trust and safety issues in the generative AI field. OpenAI is currently searching for a replacement to take over the trust and safety responsibilities. As the industry grapples with increasing challenges in ensuring safe and responsible AI use, Dave's departure comes at a crucial time. The safety of AI has been a significant topic of discussion, with some likening it to being more dangerous than nuclear weapons. This departure from the world's leading AI company has significant implications for AI safety. Google co-founder Sergey Brin has made a comeback to spearhead the development of the next major AI system called Gemini. Recognized as a visionary, Brin's forward-thinking approach has consistently positioned him ahead of his time. His return to the forefront of AI development signals significant advancements in the field.
This kind of revolution in deep nets has been very profound, and definitely surprised me, even though I was like right in there sitting, like I could throw, paper clips at him. It's an incredible time, and it's very hard to forecast. What can these things do? We don't really know the limits. And in 100 years, if we imagine ourselves, that these can do kind of everything we can imagine and more, it's a hard thing to think through and has really incredible possibilities. But I think it's impossible to forecast accurately.
But Sergey, would you see more the positive side? Of course, as an entrepreneur, you have to see the positive side, but do you see also possible risks in all those fancy, if I may use this word, new means which we will have at our disposal?
I think it definitely requires some thought, and incredibly, and I'm here at Davos, and I'm just shocked at how I feel like the Luddite in the room. Everybody's talking about, well, how do we cope with this increased automation here and the jobs displaced and so forth, and I feel like the one like, actually that's pretty hard to do with a computer, and I kind of know what we're trying to accomplish to make that technology work. And I think a lot of folks here are, I think correctly forward-thinking, taking some of those innovations for granted and then saying, well, what does that mean for society and so forth. I think that's the right thing to do. I think thinking through sort of AI as the continuing of the automation that we've seen in the past 200 years and how that evolves society and economy and social order, that's the smart thing to do. I don't think it's sort of impossible somehow, but it deserves a lot of thought.
If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.